What's going on, fellow YouTubers and do-it-yourselfers? We're here at Best Fleet Service with a 2008 Honda Accord 3.5 liter. We got some codes here. Vehicle shaking, rough idle, cylinder 1 misfire. We got a 301, a 304, and a P0300. So that's a cylinder 1, a cylinder 4, and a random misfire detected here. Most likely it's going to need a tune-up. It does have the check engine light, and it does have the oil light on. Again, the key is just forward. Anyways, what we're going to do is recommend a tune-up. Cylinder 1 and 4 is here and here. Here and here. So right on the outsides. So we're going to go ahead and recommend a tune-up, and that should be all, and that should take care of it. We'll go ahead and clear the light right after we replace everything.